This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable coffee supplies, specifically these Cater Tech paper coffee takeout boxes. They come in two sizes, the 96 ounce, which holds up to 12 cups of coffee, and what we have here, which is the 160 ounce, which holds up to 20 cups. And as you can see underneath, it's a little two-piece assembly. It comes with the paper box, which is easily folded and put together, and then the bag, which you insert inside of it. And this bag has a nice, so tight, wonderful cap that's going to help you prevent leaks and spills, right? So when you get your box set up and you slide your bag in and you have it all assembled, you can see this model comes with a nice little carrying handle, which also kind of assists with pouring, which is fantastic. And they're nice and sturdy. And these units will keep coffee and other hot beverages warm for about 45 minutes to an hour at room temperature, right? So it's made of a nice sturdy cardboard. It's got that built-in handle, the screw cap, and it's easy to assemble. And once you've assembled it, you want to unscrew the cap and then you can fill it up with your beverage. So it's a wonderful little craft finish on this one with a nice cute coffee bean design. And it's just going to be a great little thing to pick up if you're, say, a restaurant, a cafe, or a coffee shop, and you're looking to do coffee service and maybe to sell that to things like offices or large groups, clubs. People are going to be looking for, say, maybe coffee with pastries or something of that nature. Or if you're an office, maybe a small office, and you're looking at doing things like meetings, picnics, lunches, and you don't have, say, a giant coffee machine to make tons of cups all at once, and you need something quick, easy, that's going to be a little bit stylish, keep things warm for your meetings, it's a fantastic thing to invest. You can keep them stowed away and just pop them out when you need them. But even if you're just, an individual at home and you're looking at maybe you're going to have a large picnic, gathering, or whatever, and you have some beverages that you need to keep hot. This will work for coffee, hot chocolate, cider, tea, or anything else you need to keep warm.